Hello everyone, I'm Niharika Rajagopalan, founder of Deshadhwani, which is a mental wellness awareness initiative. We are back with the series Well-Known Voices, and today's speaker is none other than the beautiful Gayatri Venkatraghavan, who is a Carnatic musician and vocalist. So about her speech, I think the most defining factor in her life journey has been that she's always been thankful for the support she has got and has never dwelled on what is not available. And she's also accepted all realities to take her life as it goes. And this has made her very successful in both her career and her personal life. So let's watch the video without further ado. I think it will be an example for many other women.
Namaskarams. Very happy to meet all of you through Deshadhwani. Deshadhwani is a wonderful initiative towards mental well-being of people. Niharika of Deshadhwani had wanted me to share a few of my personal experiences towards how women can handle stress in day-to-day life. All said and done, most of us women, we multitask. We handle so many things in a day, don't we? We handle our family, our own personal lives, our careers, and generally meeting, social commitments that we have. There are so many things that go on in a woman's life. I have noticed personally that for us to be stress-free, we need to plan certain things at different junctures in our life. Let us say a woman is becoming a mother. This is a journey that many women go through, a wonderful journey, I must say. I had decided that I will take a break when I become a mother, and I wanted to exclusively enjoy being with my children. And therefore, I took a break of about 6 years. That may not be possible for all women, I know that. It is a very personal choice. I thoroughly enjoyed that period and just being with the children, me telling them stories, listening to their lovely stories. It was a beautiful, beautiful time that I had with them. That's not possible for all women due to different circumstances. But if you can take a short break at least and enjoy that period, that will be great. And that will reduce your stress to a large extent. And when you just head back to your careers, that is the time when we need to explain to the family patiently that our careers also mean a lot to us. And I'm very sure, like in my life, most of the families would be supportive. We need to be patient. We need to explain to them about our priorities and where we need help. We need to delegate and we need to get help from our immediate family circle. And how we do it, that is very important to remain stress-free. I will not say that I handled it fantastically all the time. There were moments when everything was going on at the same time. I would have to pack a bag for the children's clothes, their school things, to leave them off with my mother when I was traveling, and then remember to take all the stuff that I had to travel with for my concerts, my books, everything. Or it would be something as simple as packing my kacheri bag, taking my tambura, and also packing a snack bag for the children, making sure they had their color pencils and their books to color and engage themselves during a concert. It's not easy, and I must say that I was very, very fortunate to be blessed with a wonderful family to support me. But still, all said and done, it is in the woman's gene, that she wants to do everything perfectly. I did see IPS Nataraj sir's video for Deshadhwani, and so beautifully he had explained how we don't have to be absolutely perfect in whatever we do. Perfection is a journey, and we attempt to do everything as best as we can. That was a beautiful message, and I think that is what we all need to imbibe. As women, we have many, many roles at different junctures in our life. Then we also have to take care of our parents and maybe our in-laws, and there are elders in our life who need our support. They need our mental support more than anything else. And comes to that point, we need to be patient with them and we need to explain to them. They reach a point when they are not working anymore and they are in a very peaceful part of their life. They don't understand the pace at which our life is going. So we can probably explain to them patiently and spend some exclusive time with them and make sure they realize that they are very, very valuable to us in our lives, because they are the ones who have contributed so much during our childhood. And it is a difficult trick to balance all these things. We may not do everything perfectly all the time. There will be moments of stress when you're so tired and you're so depressed. Sometimes depression can become so traumatizing. I have heard many cases like that, in which case I think professional help has to be sought. We see a doctor for our eyes and our ears, Why can't we see a doctor for mental wellness too? Of course, when we look for this professional help, we have to make sure that we talk to our family, our friends, our doctors, and we have to make sure that we seek the right kind of professional help, somebody who will listen to us carefully. Sometimes this kind of help can even come from just talking to one of our friends over the phone. Just venting out our problems and listen, somebody for us to listen to. We should listen to others the same way they will listen to us, and such things are possible in life. So keep your mind open to all these things. Make sure you share your love with everybody, because what goes around comes back to you. Life is a full circle that way. And I am sure that a woman is capable of so much of love and affection. And when she shows that, it all comes back to her at the right time. The children will start understanding how important her career is. The elders will start understanding, and everything will fall into place. Of course, another very important thing that we have to do is to practice meditation and pranayama at the right junctures. That is very important. Pranayama can help relieve stress to a large extent. And especially when you're very stressed, you can try the trick of pranayama. It will help you immediately calm down. I hope this little tidbit from my personal life is useful in some way. And I'm sure you will all support Deshadvani in many ways. Namaskarams, very happy to meet you all once again.